In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bookmark Adobe Acrobat 2026, step by step. Bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat are a simple way to jump straight to the pages you care about, whether you're navigating a long report, a research paper, or a manual. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your PDF, add a bookmark exactly where you need it, give it a clear name, and save your changes so it's ready the next time you open the file. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your computer. When the app opens, you'll land on the home view. Here, look for the recent area, which lists files you've opened lately. Find the document you want to work with in that list so you can add a bookmark to it. If you don't immediately see it in recent, that's okay. Just locate it the way you normally access your PDFs on your device. Once you've identified the right file, double-click it to open it in Acrobat. With the document open, navigate to the page you want to mark. Now look to the right-hand side panel in Acrobat's interface. You're looking for the bookmark control, typically shown as a small ribbon or bookmark icon. If your panel is collapsed, hover over the side to reveal it, then expand it. The icon can appear as a ribbon shape or a label that says bookmarks, depending on your workspace, but it will be in that right side tools area. Click that ribbon icon to add a bookmark at the page you're currently viewing. Acrobat will create a new bookmark entry for you. By default, it appears with a placeholder name, often untitled. This is where you'll make it useful. Click directly on the untitled text to rename the bookmark. Delete the default text and type a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might use Executive Summary, Chapter 3 Methods, or Invoice Totals. A good name makes it obvious where the bookmark will take you later, saving you time when you need to revisit the section. When you're done naming, click anywhere outside the text field in the document or the panel to confirm the change. You should now see your new bookmark listed with the name you chose. Finally, don't forget to save your document so the bookmark is stored with the file. Use the Save button or press the keyboard shortcut you're comfortable with, and saving ensures that the next time you open this PDF, your bookmark is still there and ready to use. That's it. Open the file, add the bookmark, rename it, and save. Repeat the same action on other pages to build a quick, navigable table of contents tailored to your needs.